All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, my friends and family, and random passerbys who clicked on this maybe by accident. Well, I appreciate all y'all. Let's look at episode 33. Yes? I can never remember. I'm just gonna go with 33. Reviewing, kind of, just mostly checking out items you can get from the Amazon Vine program, and also looking at some items that Amazon has that you might not know about that may change your life. So let's just get into it this morning. Hope everybody had a good weekend. If that's when you're watching this, which probably won't be. Trying something new today. I've got a camera up there, and I'm gonna try to figure that out, how to edit that. So this is called Bird Feeder, clear and brown. So it's just a bird feeder. I've got to that age in my life where I'm interested in what kind of birds are coming to the feeder, and putting out a lot of bird seed. Bird seed's expensive. Life hack: go to Tractor Supply, get one big old giant bag of sunflower seeds. Then go to your local feed store and get a big 40 or 50 pound bag of scratch greens for your chickens. Mix those two together. It's like bird seed, but a lot cheaper than buying it pre-made. All right, so there's the instructions. It comes with a cable, some tiny screws, an Allen key, and the cable. Let's see what this little bird feeder looks like. I've got multiple bird feeders out there. All right, so this goes up like that. This clips on here. So it's got a that just clips to there. See that? All right. And that snaps up. I guess they do that for transport. All right, just that snaps all into place there, and then the cable will obviously go through there to hang. Nothing fancy. Kind of acrylic feeling. Probably won't last forever, but you'll at least be able to see how much bird seed you have in it. So that's that one. Let's go to the next one. This is a tank bag for four-wheelers. ATV, four-wheelers. So, obviously this is, you need the kind that has the gas cap on the top of the tank, not some kind of like panel or something, or compartment, but big screw-on gas cap, that'll go there. You have a place for your phone or whatnot. Winning ticket. There. It's got a little pouch there. This almost has a craft fair homemade feel to it. It's got a little cup for your beverage, and then another side pocket. So a couple of like elastic loops. Interesting. But if you've got a four-wheeler and you need a tank cover to have some extra storage, there you go. Right, so this is VTech Tactical is the brand on this. This is a tactical type belt. And then that'll go on there, and then when you want to, I guess it just says quick release, right? Okay, so you got to pull that little tab, lifts up, and then it. Okay, so it's magnetic, just slaps in there, pull that to release it. Magnetic, yeah, it's kind of cool. I mean, it just slides in there super easy, comes apart super easy. I thought this was going to be metal. For some reason, there was something in the description that led me to believe that this was not plastic, but I could be wrong. I'm wrong about a lot of things. So that just pops off, pops on. Interesting belt. I will have to give that a whirl. I mean, it's kind of thin, but it seems really dense, if that makes sense. There's a lot of threads there. Let's try to get a few done. I'm kind of behind on my reviews a little bit with the Amazon Vine. I need to get my button gear and review some more, so that's why I like to film them first, and then I take them out and open them up and actually review them for the reviews. But this just gives everybody an idea what's out there and what's available. So this is a 4-pack of, there's never anything descriptive, 4-pack of Christmas lights, I guess, but you could use them for whatever. They come with that slides on there, I guess. Okay. And then there's going to be a spike with it. So you got your there. So it's little solar panel powered lights. And there's a number of lights with each bundle. There's 4 bundles. So it has 8 modes. It's says combination, wave, sequential, slow glow, chain flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, steady on. So it has a bunch of different modes. And so there's 4 of these in this pack, which is pretty cool. And I think the price was, I'll put the link in the description. That makes a noise. I'll put the link in the description, and then you can decide if it's a value or not. I think it was. I was looking at that, and I'm like, man, I would have definitely bought that either way. For got Christmas coming up, have to do some decorations. Where are we at? 9 minutes. Let's do a couple more here. This is from Churainty. Is that your uncle or Churainty? That's my auntie. All right. Let's see. Churainty hunting seat cushion. Comfortable, silent, portable, water resistant. Everything you need. Sit on your butt in the woods. Went out in the woods a couple times this weekend. I didn't see a thing except the back of my eyelids. At one point, I straight fell asleep in the deer stand. All right. So it's got an elastic thing there, and then a little carabiner. What does it say? So you can use the metal hook to attach the cushion to your backpack. Okay. And then you can put this around your waist so the cushion fits snugly against your body, prevents slipping. Okay, so they want you to kind of attach it to you. So you can use it when you're sitting on the ground, or you can use it as extra padding if you have got a chair in your honey blind that sucks, which I've got one of my chairs is awful in one of my blinds, and this might be the ticket to fix it. It's got It's pretty dense foam. You have all these different chambers. I don't know, this might be cool. It looks cool. It's got a nice kind of a no slip back to it. And it folds down to nothing. Charente might have something right here. Let's do one more small one because it's right here. And we have a 1500 milliamp 3S 11.1 volt batteria. So, like I said, if you see me doing this and it doesn't make sense, I'm trying to get a second view going. All right, it comes with an adapter too. Good, that's what I was hoping for. Because I've got some airsoft guns that have this adapter. It will fit together and adapt to each other. And it's got another adapter too. So I'm gonna try this out on one of my airsoft and see if it bumps it up. Yeah, because I need this to be able to charge it too. I didn't even think about that. I don't have a charger with those other type of adapters. I used to have little RC hobby grade racing boats and had all the different controllers and wires and changing batteries and adapters to change all the different types of batteries. And then I just stopped using it. Like most things, most of my hobbies, I'll be really, really into it and then I'll just stop. I guess a lot of people do that. Maybe. All right. That's it for me, folks. Thanks for swinging by the old Thorn Review Stuff channel. Threw some crap in the background to kind of make it a little more interesting, just a black sheet or whatever they call that thing, backdrop. Instead of just a black backdrop, threw some stuff for you to look at. I don't know how it's going to come across, but appreciate you, and we'll see how this double camera thing goes. I'm going to try to figure that out today, how to edit with two cameras. Like I said, this is all just trial and error with me. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching.